everyone. So we would like to welcome you all for our first session. So mainly our core area of focus will be the CIMA subjects, and today we'll be focusing on the P1 level subject of the operational level state. So the first chapter in P1 is management accounting, so which focuses on the accounting for management, which will be the name of the chapter. So let's go into the introduction. So the main purpose of management accounting is to provide information towards the internal decision making process. CIMA defines management accounting as the application of the principles of accounting and financial management to create, protect, preserve, and increase value for the stakeholders of for-profit and not-for-profit enterprises in the public and private sectors. So in order to do that, we require data and information. So what is data? Data consists of facts gathered and stored. So these are just random facts which are gathered, whereas information is when you process the data, filter it, analyze it, and sort it, where it provides meaningful information to the user. So basic quality of information would be in line with the term accurate. That is in line with the synonym acronym accurate. A stands for accurate, C stands for complete, C stands for cost effective, understandable, relevant, authoritative, timely, and easy to use. So the main areas in management accounting will be the following 5 core areas, which are costing, planning, decision making, control, and performance evaluation. Costing is where you use the basic cost data and perform cost functions that provide the management with all the information they require. So costing in terms of like when you are doing pricings, as well as when you want to identify the variable or fixed overhead of a certain production facility, you can it falls into that aspect. Planning is where you are formulating short-term and long-term plans to achieve a specific goal. So where a budget is required. So budget is the financial planning showing how the resources which the company has will be utilized in the most effective way given in a specific time frame to achieve the best possible results. So decision making. So this is the third aspect, which is one of the crucial aspects in terms of the management. So every aspect of running a business involves decision making. So it can be from fixing the prices and the production volume, preparing the production volume based on the expected demand and the economic condition, as well as whether they need to go into a new market or whether they will diversify and go into a new product as well. So the other one is control. This is where we monitor, measure, and evaluate the actual results with the planned or expected results. The ultimate one is performance evaluation. It is the process where management will compare the performance of managers against the budgets or targets. Now we'll move on to the levels of planning. There are primarily 3 levels: operational, tactical, and strategic. So operational is where it's more short-term oriented and it's handled by the department level. Like what are the materials to be purchased, so on and so forth. So tactical planning falls on the medium level. So the mid-level managers only handle that. That is the number of units that will need to be produced based on the upcoming demand. The strategic planning will focus on the board of directors level, where they will involve themselves in making the direction in which the company should pursue themselves. So this is more likely focus on the long-term time frame, which is about 5 to 10 years within that range, as what new segments they should target, or whether they should go ahead with an acquisition or a merger likewise. So now we'll move on to the differences between management accounting and financial accounting. So management accounting is on a more detailed level. Financial accounting will focus on the entire business as a whole. Management accounting will be on like detail level, as in based on SBUs, based on production. It may be on that level, whereas the financial accounting will give the entire summary of the entire business as a whole. So management accounting reports on specifically what are the problems which are caused and how we can fix them and overcome them, whereas financial reporting focuses on the profitability of the business. Management accounting is more concerned with the operational report, which are only distributed within the company, and whereas financial accounting is distributed to outside as well as inside, and it focuses on a larger periphery of areas. So financial statements are mostly profit and loss accounts, as well as statement of financial position, cash flow, etc. Management accounting addresses the budget forecast, so we can have a future orientation, whereas financial accounting is more historically oriented, which focuses and shows the results which are attained in the past. Most likely it's for the duration of 1 year. So now management accounting is used more frequently than financial accounting, because for every project basis and every SBUs need it on a timely basis to make decision with a changing environment. Whereas financial accounting, it's on accounting period, so it may be quarterly or it may be even annually as well. Management accounting combine the financial and non-financial information to give a detailed and complete picture. These are used to drive the business towards achieving success, whereas financial accounting require only the financial aspects within the business, which are utilized in terms of the department levels. So that's all for the lesson number for the first lesson. So thank you very much, guys. And down the line, you can expect many similar videos on CIMA as well as other subjects, and as well as the other pillars as well. So currently we are starting with P1, so we will eventually give you details similar to this in terms of the enterprise level as well as the managerial level for all three operational, managerial and strategic levels. And for the main case study, we will do a detailed analysis including the financial aspects and the different models that are in your syllabus, and also the most possible and likely question that might come for your exam. So stay tuned, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.